Cerelia today, it's an international group born in 1974. There was indeed a significant industrial evolution with several company acquisitions, and today it's an international group. We have 12 factories around the world, including factories in France, Italy, the Netherlands, England, the United States and Canada as well. We count 2,000 employees across all geographies. We work a lot for major retailers, and working for major retailers brings us a variety of formats and products, and due to this, we need to have flexible machines able to meet our needs, able to handle the diversity of formats. And this is why our choice was for Cama. We need machines that are flexible and agile that can meet our needs. So when we choose a partner today, when we choose a manufacturer, it's indeed for a long-term partnership. Simply because industrial machines are machines that are meant to work a lot. We have machines that will operate in 3 to 8 shifts, which will be used quite extensively. It is really essential for us that this partnership is long-lasting. We choose Cama as it's a company that meets our needs in terms of solutions, but also in terms of support.